This is the second part of the kidney, and here I choose a topic, the drug which are safer in the renal failures. You might have just seen the question they can ask you in other ways. Instead of asking the drug safer in the renal failure, they can ask you among which of the following drugs does not require drug monitoring, or among which of the following drugs having need low GFR. Remember, safer means low GFR. Safer means low GFR. Okay, the first is the ergothroban. Ergothroban. Second is unfractionated heparin. This is unfractionated heparin. Before that, we have read low molecular weight heparin, that is contraindicated, but unfractionated heparin is safer in renal failure. Unfractionated heparin is safer. Okay, and telmisartan, bench bromeron, cefoperazone. This question has asked in the AIIMS. Okay, cefoparazones, cefpiramide. Okay, telmisartan, bench bromeron, cefoperazone, cefpiramide, and remember the trick PMT: pafloxacin, moxifloxacin, trovafloxacin. Okay, only these are the fluoroquinolones which are safer in kidney failures. Apart from the and all the fluoroquinolones are contraindicated in renal failure except 3 PMT: pafloxacin, moxifloxacin, trovafloxacin. Okay, abacavir is also safer, and even it can also use when the hemoglobin level is less than 9 gram percentage. Okay, it is also used when the hemoglobin level is less than 9 gram percent. Remember the gliptin. All the gliptins, DPP4 inhibitors, are contraindicated except linagliptin. Why linagliptin is not a contraindicated? Because it is eliminated by the hepatobiliary route. If something goes through the hepatobiliary route, it does not contraindicate in the kidney failures. And the 14 is the succinylcholine. Which choline? Not acetylcholine. It is succinylcholine. If the creatine level increases and the potassium level is normal, that is between 3.5 to 5.5. So I would like to repeat all of them. Okay, just remember, drug which is safe in the renal failures: unfractionated heparin, telmisartan. This question has already asked: telmisartan, bench bromeron. Just remember the Mercedes Benz. Tell me something. Telmisartan. Tell me something. Bench. That's a Mercedes Benz. Cefoperazone zone. You have every person has their own zone. Just remember, and this is the PMT. And abacavir, your Abba is also safer in the renal failures. Okay, and the linagliptin, linagliptin is also safer. And the last is succinylcholine, if the creatinine level is increases and the potassium level is also normal, that is between 3.5 to 5.5. Okay, I would like to say again the drug which are contraindicated the renal failure. You just need to remember: low molecular weight heparin, fondaparinux, parenteral, DTI, sucralfate, antacid, and very important beta-lactam, tenofovir. All the fluoroquinolones are contraindicated except PMT, and apart from that, DPP4 inhibitors except linagliptins and digoxins, pitolisant. The mechanism of action is H3 receptor inverse agonist, sotalol, pancuronium, vacuronium, D-tubercurin, and very, very important, glyburate, tenofovir, fluoroquinolones, sotalol, pitolisant, and low molecular weight heparin. Thank you.